What is going on, everybody? My name is Matt and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys some more Solana projects I think you guys will really love. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it, folks. So the first project I wanted to show you guys here is a passive income project here called Diamond Owl Club. I love what these guys are working on here. We got 5,555 owls who have just inhabited the metaverse. And when we take a look here, of course, at their website, Diamond Owl Club, the protectors of the Solana ecosystem. So the metaverse takeover begins with an unparalleled vision. The Diamond Owl Club is paving a path forward to become the trailblazers of the Solana landscape. Our community is bound by one endless goal: to come together and make history in the metaverse. And they have a little video talking about what they plan on doing here in Web 3. And here are some of their perks slash overall launch plans. So the goal here is for the owl, of course, being 110 degrees to around 70 degrees of binocular vision. By comparison, humans have a view that covers 180 degrees, with 140 being binocular. For this reason, an owl cannot roll or move its eyes, therefore they can only look straight ahead. Love the pun. They have one goal in mind: to bring together a community that is not only prepared to enter the metaverse, but ready to conquer it. They are hoping to have some sort of VR club opening up in the future, and here is their overall roadmap. So phase 1 at 10% sold, 10 diamond owls will be raffled off to holders days after the launch. At 25% sold, 5 lucky holders will get to build a 1-to-1 diamond owl with their chief art director. Awesome stuff. Phase 3, land in the metaverse will be purchased for the official Diamond Owl Club, and 50,000 will be put into their creator fund. And at 75% sold, they're going to be having some merch release with some hats, shirts, hoodies, all that good stuff. Then, of course, at phase 5, 100% virtual club ownerships will be given out. A 10 Ethereum giveaway will be given to holders. 1,000 hats, shirts, hoodies, all that stuff. And of course the rest of the roadmap in the future. Now, another thing I love about this project is there are faces to the names. I always love to see this in projects, and this isn't to say that you can't have a good project without showing your face, but it always does help. I always like to see that. We got a lot of LinkedIns here linked, some Instagrams and Twitters and all that, which is great stuff. We got Cypher here, Justin, Chase, Sabrina, a lot of people who are showing their faces and letting everybody know what they are creating and what they are working on here. So overall, a lot of good stuff. And again, it does look like these guys are consistently giving out money in their Discord as well. They're giving out Ethereum and all that, and Solana and all that. So definitely cool to see. But before we go any further, guys, let's talk a little bit about my Patreon. I have worked tirelessly to make this the best NFT group out there. By joining my Patreon, you guys get literally an insane amount of content. You'll get a custom Discord role, direct access to me in a DM, full access to Matt's NFT dojo, crypto and altcoin trade signals, access to my exclusive NFT watch list, whitelist opportunities, priority access to my live streams, and so much more. To be honest with you guys, I think it's a steal for only $10 a month. And of course, if you guys would like to talk to me over voice in a voice call, you guys could always join the Emerald and above tier, which has that offered. Currently, there are hundreds of people joining the Patreon every month, and they absolutely love it. Link down below in the description. Now, the next project here is something called Cupheads, and these guys, to be honest with you, have one of the nicest looking art styles I have seen out of any project. These guys have a really clean, really detailed, sort of 3D looking design here that I love. 4,000 Cupheads dripped out on the Solana metaverse, offering Launchpad and audit services. Launchpads have become very big recently, and auditing, of course, is also a very big industry. So something I like about these guys is that they're actually offering a service. They actually have something that they have tangibly created that they are offering to their fans. So again, you guys can see this is just a tiny look at their website, but they have a ridiculous amount of content here featured on their Gitbook. So here is a little bit of information about their white paper here. So they are trying to combat other launch pads that are charging high fees. Their main goals include supporting those who don't have the required knowledge to launch their project smoothly, and for those who do not have the equivalent knowledge to calculate if a project is the right one for them to invest in. So the mint price will be 1 Solana, a whitelist of 1,500 spots, and the mint date, of course, on the 19th. So they talk a little bit about their funds distribution, so how they are allocating some of their funds. They showcase, of course, course, some of the artwork here, which is very, very snazzy to say the least. They've got some information here about how their audit is going to work. So the team wants to provide the most accurate audit possible with options coming from multiple inspectors. So they are full access for everybody, and they talk a little bit about how they will critique a project. They also give a little bit of information here about their launchpad. Here is some information about their vault. So similar to staking, you can lock up for 20 days at a time overall to incentivize the listing, which is always a good thing. They also have a loan service, which is very cool. So they are actually offering the opportunity to take 25% of the mint earnings and put them towards the loaning fund, which is great. So if you have a fully doxed project, stable floor, and sustainable volume, you will be able to get 50% of the floor price value in a loan, which is very, very cool. Then, of course, they have the roadmap going over everything they have completed already and what they plan to complete in the future, some of the links, and, of course, their team, which is doxed. Absolutely wonderful stuff. So overall, these guys have just hit the nail on the head and is definitely something that I would consider minting just because I believe that they are getting all of the key markers. Very good artwork. They actually have real utility and definitely something I could see sticking around for a while to come. Now, the final project here is something called Seashanties. And oh my goodness, Matt, you're talking about Seashanties again? Well, I have a reason for it. They recently launched a new collection. We have their regular Seashanties collection here, of course, the Pets Genesis collection, of course, and a new collection which they recently have added. And if we go here and search Seashanties, you guys can see they are now listed as a creator. So when we take a look at the Seashanties Twitter, you guys can see they are talking about the Citizens Mint. So they have a lot of information here about their new mint, about all the plans that they have, and some information, of course, about what they plan on doing in the future. So definitely great to check out Seashanties because overall, I think these guys have built what I would say is a pretty stable project. And of course, I have been staking my Sea Shanty for a long time. I've been staking it ever since it originally came out, and I have made some decent passive income from staking my Sea Shanty, which is great to see. And again, having a project like this, which is continuously building, continuously diversifying, is always fantastic. So definitely do recommend taking a look at Sea Shanties and seeing what these guys are working on. So with that being said, folks, thank you all so much for watching. I truly do hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I always do appreciate it. Massive thanks to Diamond Owl Club and Cupheads for collaborating with me on this video. I really do appreciate it. And like I said, I only collaborate with projects, folks, that I actually like and actually do support. So with that being said, my name is Matt. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments what projects you guys want to see in the future, and make sure to join the Patreon down below in the description. It truly is a great place that I think you guys will love. Thank you guys so much. My name is Matt. See you all in the next one. Peace.